GHRC's news desk. This is Priyanka Sharma back again with yet another episodes and update of GHRC. So without any further ado, let me just introduce you with certain headlines and then we will go about these news in details. First of all, an academic and administrative audit was conducted at GHRC. 10 proposals from GHRC have been shortlisted for RGSTC scheme from RTMNU Nagpur. AICTE Prerna scheme was also in force. 71st Constitution Day was celebrated by NSS cell of GH Raisoni College of Engineering Nagpur on 26 November 2020. First of all, the news about academic and administrative audit. As per the guidelines of UGC, regular monitoring of the institute is done through Internal Quality Assurance Cell, which is IQAC. An external peer team comprising of prominent academicians carried out an academic and administrative audit annually. The audit report is then sent to UGC. In view of above academic and administrative audit of all UG and PG programs in institute was conducted by various external experts on 27th and 28th November. 5 external academicians from Vishwasraya National Institute of Technology, VNIT Nagpur, 1 expert from Lakshminarayan Institute of Technology and 1 expert from Department of Advanced Management Studies, Rashtrasant Tukaroji Maharaj Nagpur University were members of the audit team. Audit activity was coordinated by Dr. P.V. Varkin, Dean IQAC, and Dr. M.M. Khanapurkar, Dean Academics. External auditors expressed satisfactory remarks over the academics and administrative process followed by the institute. Second news about the 10 proposals from GHRC have been shortlisted for RGSTC scheme for RTMNU Nagpur. GHRC has submitted 43 proposals to Rajiv Gandhi Science Technology Commission RTMNU Nagpur, out of which 10 proposals have been shortlisted. Of the shortlisted proposals, 5 were from Electronics Department submitted by Dr. Dinesh Padole, Mr. Nikhil Vyavare, Mr. Rahul Agrawal, Ms. Vani Patil, Ms. Trishna Devtare. 2 proposals were from CSE Department submitted by Ms. Apeksha Sakre, Mr. Girish Tarmare. 1 was from Civil Department submitted by Dr. Isha Khedikar. And 2 proposals were from IT Department submitted by Dr. Urmila Shavankar and Ms. Sampada Vazalwar. Presentations for the same is scheduled in RTMNU on 3rd and 4th December 2020. Moving ahead, the AICTE's Prerna scheme. The aim of AICTE Prerna scheme is in providing financial support to institutes who are willing to put extra efforts for encouraging and training SC/ST students for GATE, GPAT, CAT, CMAT and GRE. The broad objective of this scheme is to help aspiring SC/ST students seeking higher education through admission tests like GATE, GPAT, CAT, CMAT, TOEFL, IELTS and even GRE. The duration of the scheme is for a period of 2 years. GH Raisoni College of Engineering received the scheme for the session 2019 to 2021 for giving assistance to pre-final and final year students of all branches. Coordinator for the same scheme is Dr. Vibha Bora. Classes are being conducted online on WebEx platform by eminent faculties who have been mentoring students for competitive exam from decades. Co-coordinators Dr. Prakash Patil. From Civil Engineering, Dr. Prakash Chandan Khede, Pankaj Chandan Khede from Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Professor Ramchandra Advare from Electrical Engineering, Professor Ganesh Kikare from Information Technology, Professor Shweta Kharat from Computer Science Engineering, Professor Payal Gutke from Electronics Engineering and Dr. Abdul Rahman Khan from Mechanical Engineering are scheduling online classes of experts for GATE, CAT, GRE for students of GHRC under Prerna scheme. Mr. Sachin Mankavade from GATE Forum is providing his assistance in giving best coaching to SC/ST students of GHRC under Prerna scheme. All classes are uploaded on GHRC's YouTube channel and the links have been shared for all the students to avail the services of GHRC for further references. Now, benefits of AICTE Prerna scheme is post-graduation from IITs, NITs, PSU, DRDO, ISRO, government sector or higher studies in foreign university and reputed Indian institutes. Coaching from eminent faculties with 100% admission fees per exam. GHRC is thankful to AICTE for this opportunity. Moving ahead, the 71st Constitution Day celebrated by NSS cell of GHRC. Every year, 26 November is celebrated as Constitution Day, Samvidhan Divas, in India to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. On 26th of November 1949, the Constituent Assembly in India adopted the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26th of January 1950, which is also celebrated as Republic Day. This day was celebrated at GH Raisoni College of Engineering by National Service Scheme Cell 26th of November 2020. The program was celebrated with the speeches by NSS student volunteers and reading of Preamble of Constitution of India. In this program, anchoring was done by Ms. Ritika Kulgade. The program started with National Anthem, Then Mr. Sajid Hussain and Ms. Anisha Khairkar delivered the speeches on Constitution Day. In their speeches, they covered the introduction part in the Articles and Constitution of India. Mr. Abhijit Kirwale read the preamble and Ms. Simran Jain elaborated the meaning of preamble in a simple manner. After this, Dr. Sachin Untwale, director, delivered a message in which he delivered the significance of Constitution and gave his wishes of Constitution Day to students and staff. At last, Professor Mangesh Borkar proposed the vote of thanks. In all, 51 participants were present online for this program and read the preamble. The program was well conducted by Professor Mangesh Borkar, NSS Program Officer, under the guidance of Dr. Sachin Untwale, Director, GHRC, Nagpur. That is all for the sum up of the news this week, and all I can say is stay updated. Every time it is not expected for you to go and push yourself out of your comfort zone. Sometimes just standing there, holding on your grounds, believing that you can do all that you ever wished for, and being patient is the key for success. Until I meet next time, take care of yourself, stay home, stay blessed. Thank you.